dear students, hope you all are doing very well. So earlier we have learned unit 4, the left lessons for you, but now it's time to go through something new. That means for your upcoming exam. So considering that fact, I have chosen a new unit for you, as unit 5 was in your previous exam. So I thought it's better to go with the new unit, and that is unit 6. And today we will discuss the very first lesson of this unit, and that is lesson 1. The lesson is named A Day in Jishan's Life. Okay, so basically in this chapter there's actually nothing too much to discuss about, but still I'm just giving an overview of it, just to make you understand that what the unit is about, what's the main feature of this lesson. That's it. Okay, I hope you all have your EFT book with you. That means English for Today book. So please have your book with you and to open the unit 6 and lesson 1, and it is in page number 54. Okay, so let's go with it. Lesson 1, A Day in Jishan's Life. See, in this lesson, on the very upper portion, there's a daily routine, and it is a home daily routine is this. It's Jishan's daily routine. Okay, so if you have your books with you, so please go through the page that 6:30 a.m. wake up. That means Jishan wakes up at 6:30 a.m. He does his breakfast at 7 a.m. Then he goes to his school. Then after coming home, he has his snack or and free time from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then it's now his study time from 5 to 6 p.m. What? It's his math period. And then till 8:30 p.m. he is busy with his studies, his homework. Okay, then at 8:30 p.m. he takes his supper. Then from 9 to 10 p.m. It's time to watch TV, and then finally he goes to bed at 10:30 p.m. It's really quite unbelievable for you guys, because I know you don't go to bed too early as Jishan does. So okay, leave it. Then the para is on Friday Jishan doesn't go to school. That means as we also don't go to school on Friday, because Friday is our holiday. That's it. But he studies 1 hour with his religious teacher. Okay, so he also studies his school subjects by himself. After often he goes to visit his relatives with his parents. So say Jishan actually maintains a same schedule as we basically follow in our daily life, doesn't he? Of course. Say on a Friday, as we know that Friday is our public holiday, and who would like to go to school or have tuitions on Friday? It's fun day, I think so. See, so as we also do that on Friday, why does he actually he uses his Friday? I think you also need to use the make perfect use of your Friday, because it's the day, one day in the whole week that we basically have time for our own space. It gives us a soothing space for us, isn't it? Of course, I know you, though you are not admitting, but I know deep inside in your mind it's going on. So actually say Friday is the day when we are quite away from our school task or school activities or classworks. Okay, so this is the day when we get time to meet our kith and kin, we meet our relatives or old friends and have fun. Okay, so so Jishan also does the same, though maybe Jishan doesn't as Jishan doesn't study in our Lakers public school and college, So for him only Friday is the holiday, but for us we have two holidays weekly. See, this is how we maintain our daily life. Okay, so I would like to ask you to write down your own experience about your daily life. That means what are the things that you go through on your every Friday and of course every day. So you have to write down at least 10 to 20, no, not 10, 15 to 20 lines on your daily life. Okay, so before closing this chapter, I would like to discuss about one more thing, and that is see, go to the task number B, that is discuss in groups or pairs and answer these questions. Okay, so there are some of the questions for you. You have to sort it out. Then, how much time does Dishan spend on his studies? Say from his school, because school is also a place where basically our main target is to study. So with that time, and in his home he spends at least 4 hours for study. 7 and 4, that means almost 11 hours he spends on his studies. That is maybe the right amount of time, because now you can ask me, Miss, it's too much. No, it's not too much, because in school, see, apart from learning, we do different kind of activities like see, as for example our school, in our school we go through every kind of activities. Like, see, we sometimes we play, we have cultural activities for our recreation, not only the learning. Okay, not only that textbook based learning. So I think school is some a place where apart from learning we also learn so many different things, and we have fun with our friends, we have cultural activities programs, so etc etc. So I think it is the right amount of time. To me it is the right amount of time. So then why do you think he spends too much or too little, or the right amount time on his studies? As I choose the right amount of time, so why do you think he spends the right amount time on his studies? Because he is an attentive, he is an attentive student. Then why do you think Dishan studies on Fridays? Because Fridays basically Dishan studies all the days of the week, but actually on Fridays it is something special, because it's a holiday, and on the holiday he is not so hassled with his school activities or classworks. That's why he gets a time for his own study. Okay, so that's why he studies on Fridays especially. Okay, so that's all for today. I would like to ask you to have a homework on your daily routine. Okay, just no, you don't need to copy, you don't need to learn by heart. You just need to, whatever you want you can write, be it your personal thing or be it your daily activities that you go through. So your daily routine you have to make at least 15 to 20 lines for me, and please submit it in the classwork, okay, on our Google Classroom. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. Take care and stay well.